Good morning, my dear. Myself, Kishore Kumar Sinha, computer teacher. Students, if you are facing problem while uploading the answer in Google form, then you have to change some settings in your smartphone. First of all, you have to clear your cache file, images as well as cookies. So you please look at the screen. I will be explaining each and everything so that you will not face any problem while uploading the answer in your Google form. First of all, suppose I am having my Google Chrome. So I will click on Google Chrome. Then I will go on three dots. I will go on these three dots. You can see these three dots, which is in vertical way. I will click on that. And then I will click on history. Now you can see a lot of files are there. Here I have to delete all my datas. So first of all, I will click on clear browsing data. I will click on clear browsing data. After that, you will be getting many options, but I recommend you only to select browsing history, cookies and site data, and the last one, cache, images and file. But you have to select time range. Here it is showing by default last hour, but I have to set the time range as all time. All time. You have to click on all time. So after clicking on all time, you will see the number of browsing history items, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. Their MBs numbers have been increased. Earlier it was showing less because I selected last hour. You can see if you will click on last hour, only few, that means last hour what happened, only those history items, cookies, site data and cache images and files will be deleted. So it is mandatory to select all time, but select only these three options. Don't select rest three. After doing this, you have to click on clear data. You can see at the bottom, clear data. Now click on clear. Now all informations will be erased. It will take time. Because it contains all your previous informations, whichever the sites you have browsed, whichever the images that you have taken, that has these images have gone to the cache one, that all will be deleted. So it will take time. So I'm going to pause my video here. If suppose you are having other web browser like Opera Mini, then first of all you will click on Opera Mini and then click on this icon of Opera Mini. After that, you have to click on setting. You have the setting. You can see on the screen. You have to click on that. After this, you have to click clear browsing data. You can see clearly on the screen, clear browsing data is available. You have to click on that. Here you will get three options: clear save passwords, clear browsing history, clear cookies and data. All three you must have to select. And then click on OK. If you want that, no, first one is important for me because I have already saved my password in my smartphone, then you can remove this. But here I am showing all three to be selected, and then click on OK. Now your data is clear. Now the next setting that you have to apply in your smartphone is in your Google Drive. So first of all, you have to search Drive. It is Google Drive. But if in case Google Drive is not available in your smartphone, then you have to install this one through Play Store. Here you can see Play Store is there. I will click on Play Store. And then I will type here Google Drive, and then I will click on Google Drive. As it is showing open button, it shows that my Google Drive is already installed. But if it is not installed, then instead of that you will get install button. So let your Google Drive install, and after your Google Drive is installed, you will click on open button. Now you will be getting three horizontal line at the top. You can see these three horizontal line. Wait. Yes, these three horizontal line you can see at the top. I have to click on that. There you will get one option, setting. Click on setting. Now, there you will see documents cache. You have to remove all those cache data, that is either it is the file or image, that all you have to clear it. So I am going to click on this one. Now, as I will click on that, it will ask from me, you want to clear your cache document? You will say yes, okay. Now, after this, just below document cache, it is showing cache size. Actually, you are going to upload 10 MB file for each question. So it means it is near about 100 MB. But you try to increase this cache size from 250 to 500 MB. From 250 to 500. Again, I am showing you. You see, it is showing my cache size, but you increase from 250 to 500 MB. And now the last one option you can see, my dear. Here it is data uses. Here I have to make this one off. Transfer files only over Wi-Fi. This I have to make it off. So I am going to make it off. Just you click on that and then you will see your data use, that is earlier it was showing on, now it has been shown off. So you must apply these all settings and then give your examination. I hope if you will apply these all settings, you are not going to face any problem while uploading your answer in Google form. Thank you, my dear.